Allow me to show you something.
Old friends are turning to strangers. Ex-lovers mad that I'm famous. They see the picture I painted. I've been going through changes. I pray to God and I hate it. Nobody giving no favors. I'm sorry if you can't take it. I've been going through changes.
Welcome people, it's Krissy and I'm back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'll be doing a shoe unboxing and review. As you guys know, this is a new series that I just started because I hate when I try to get something online and there's no reviews or pictures or just anything that I can't see in real time. Hence why this series was started. If you're new here, I'm Krissy and this is Krissy's Lifestyle. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, you are a real one. Thank you so much for being a part of the K-Stylers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as click that bell button so you can get notified every time I post a video. So without further ado, let's just jump into this video. Alright guys, so the shoe that I'll be doing a review on is the Nike's Air Jordan Low, and they are the Elevate SE, I believe. I am just going to make sure I got that right, so I'm gonna pop my phone out real quick, and of course I'm gonna read you the details. I'm gonna show you, the product. I already unboxed it because I needed to see if it fit and everything like that. So I'm just gonna do a quick little unboxing for you guys, and I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna tell you how it feels, if it's comfortable, and all that good stuff. So these are the Nike Air Jordans 1 Elevate Low SE. They are women's Nike shoes, and on the Nike website they go for $145. I got mine off GOAT because on Nike they didn't have my size. They were always sold out, so I got mine off GOAT, which was a little bit more expensive than on Nike, but they had my size and it came actually really quickly, so shipping was really good. So the color that this is in is white, onyx, and university blue. I will say though that the only problem that I really had with the shoe was online, the pictures, and even in some videos that I looked up for review, the color was way different than I thought it was. I thought it was a little bit more lighter babyish blue, like that happy medium, but it was more of that natural like blue, so that was a little bit disappointing, but everything else was perfect. So without further ado, let me just jump into the shoe real quick so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about in real time. So this is the box. It comes in your standard Nike box, and this is what she looks like. I got mine in a size 8 because Nikes tend to be very narrow and I don't want it to be like squeeze my foot or anything, so I always kind of size up or get like my true size, if that makes any sense. So even though space will be left in the shoe, I just rather there be like a little bit of space rather than my feet to be squeezing me the entire time. So when you open her up, this is what she looks like. She comes with this little Air Jordan, let me show you guys real quick, this little Air Jordan anklet, and with it comes your little Nike booklet showing you, what the Air Jordan 1 Elevate Low is. And it says it has a combination of features designed to provide excellent cushioning and stability, and that's also one thing that I actually did like about the shoe, the cushioning, and also because they were platform. If you guys also because they were platform. If you guys know me, you guys know that I love platform shoes, sneakers. So when I saw these, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it, as well as the subtleness of the branding that the shoe has. I mean, other than the big old ticky on the side that says it's Nike, the other branding parts are very subtle, like the back where you would normally have the Nike logo, there's none, and just the Jumpman on the back is very subtle. On the tongue, it has like the stitch of where the Nike logo should go, but there's nothing there. I kind of like those subtle details of that of the shoe. Inside is pretty cool. It has the Nike logo and a pretty cool like design. I totally love it. It's a very comfortable, and I will say though, and I just hate this about just shoes in general, like once you wear them after a certain while and you like bend a little bit, they do have a little mark for like the creasing, which you just can never get rid of. Like they're just gonna crease. So I always try when I'm in my shoes, try not to do a lot of like bending, but sometimes you just can't help it. But yeah, so pretty much this is what the shoe looks like. I'm going to do a quick little overlay of what the shoe looks like up close and personal, and also how it looks on my feet. I'm not trying to be too long with y'all. With the box, it comes with a little goat tag and also a goat verified, like it just shows you the authentication and the quality control, and they pretty much just stamp everything that you know is that comes with the shoes pretty much, to make sure everything is all good. So yeah, so the blue that I got, I didn't think it would have been this blue, but it's fine. I'll work with it. It's still cute. I actually got this and also a purse that I thought would go really well, but the blues don't really match up. The purse is a little bit lighter than this blue, so that was kind of disappointing in that sense, how I thought it was a little bit lighter and brighter, but nonetheless, I love it. Still cute. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to stay positive and let surprise you, because it will anyways.